Hello everyone, let's go to see the operation and the chiller's workings. This is the cooling towers and the pipings, yes, or piping has very big size, and also the brand we have the motorized valves to control when we want to run with the cooling tower is running. We can controlled by this valve, and if we don't want to run this cooling tower, we will close. And the valve also have some problems, so we also try to fix it and check what is happens to our valve source. Okay, so let's see. I will go to check the water of the cooling towers. Okay, so now our cooling towers are working very well, and the water are dripping and working smoothly on the cooling towers. So now the fan and the fan are working together, so our chiller is running. Okay, so I will show inside of my cooling tower also. Okay, so let's go to see the inside. Now we are stop running, so and here you can see we use the flood switch to control and maintain the water of the cooling towers. Here we are operating the chiller systems, and our chiller are working now, and I show some position of the valve and the pressure and the connections, the piping that we use to connect with the pressure gauge to that it control, and the pump of our chiller system. You can see how we are connecting the pressure and the support of our pipings. Anyways, I want to show about the flushing works. So this flushing, we use the water from the firefighting to flushing this chiller piping, because the firefighting we have the pump, and it is easy for us for this case. So now we flushing, and then we are preparing the piping to do the flushing stuff. And this is the mixing piping, and we are pouring the chemical into this tank, and we have calculated correctly how many liter for chemical for flushing with the amount of the capacity of these pipings. And we can see the result of the waters after we do the flushing, and then we can check the water qualities and to test it with the lab, the testing, to make sure our piping, our quality of water are acceptable. This is a very important for the chiller system, because our chillers, it is working with the water system, so this is the water must be acceptable from the testing at the lab.